Hi, this is John, and in this clip we will be detaching the frame. Now right now what's holding my door in place is that there's a bunch of nails all along the frame that's holding my door frame to the house. And what I need to do is remove that door frame. If we take a little bit closer look, we have our door on the right. We can see that nail, and that's going into our wall. Now it's virtually impossible to pull out all those nails, so what I'm going to do is use a reciprocating saw, and I'm just going to cut off all of those nails around my door frame. Now to do this, I do have a metal cutting blade because the nails that I'm going through are metal. Now what you want to do is just insert that blade between your gap, and you'll also want to make sure you're wearing safety glasses while you're doing this. And we're going to squeeze the trigger and just slowly move down the side of our door frame. Once all of those nails have been cut, I should be able to wiggle my door frame back and forth.